Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fidelity Investments Error Code 354025. The error reads, margin orders require a minimum net worth. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to place an order, especially for fractional shares, but the system treats the order as a margin trade instead of a cash trade. According to our research, this error comes if the account has margin enabled but does not meet the minimum net worth requirement for margin orders. It can also happen if the trade type is not set to cash. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if you are using a margin account. If yes, make sure your account has met the least net worth required to place margin orders. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try removing margin from your current account. You can do this from the Account Features section of the Fidelity website and then check for the error again. If the error still persists, change the trade type on your purchase from margin to cash before placing the order and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists and you are using margin buying, then check if you have margin enabled on your account and confirm your account meets the minimum balance requirement to purchase on margin. If it doesn't, then trade using cash to avoid the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.